அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு PK கெமிஸ்ட்ரி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம ஹெட்ரோசைக்ளிக் காம்பவுண்ட்ஸ் ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஷின்ஸ்: த கரெக்ட் ஆர்டர் ஆஃப் பேசிசிட்டி piperidine, pyridine and thiophene. Piperidine is the most basicity, thiophene is the less basicity, which is formed during the heating of the mixture of acetylene and ammonia. Two molecule of the acetylene அமோனியாவோட ரெட் டாட் டியூபோட நம்ம ரியாக்ட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு ஃபெர்ரோல் கிடைக்கிது. தேர்ட், த மிக்ஸ்டர் ஆஃப் அசிட்டிலீன் அண்ட் ஹைட்ரஜன் சயனைட் இஸ் பாஸ்ட் இன்டு ரெட் டாட் டியூப். த ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து பிரிடின், which is the 6-membered heterocyclic compounds. Ferrol, thiophene, furan is a 5-member heterocycle. Pyridine is a 6-member heterocycle. The heterocyclic compounds which undergo Diels-Alder reactions. Heterocyclic compound furan only to involve the Diels-Alder reactant to form the exo product. Pyridine reacts with the sodamide in liquid ammonia at 373 Kelvin to give it a 2-aminopyridine. 2-aminopyridine amination reaction. This another is called Chichibine reaction. One of the given compounds is heterocyclic, furan. Which of the following statements false? Piperidine is much more basic than pyridine. Correct. Ferrol is acidic and react with the potassium hydroxide. Correct. The electrophilic attack in pyridine occurred 3rd position. Correct. In isoquinoline, nitrogen is the given number 1. Is a wrong. Isoquinoline nitrogen on the number 2. Therefore B is a wrong. The reaction between pyridine and methyl iodide is a SN2 type single step reaction to form of the acidic nature. The compound which gives blue coloration with the estrate and sulfuric acid, thiophene. Quinoline and reduction using tin and hydrochloric acids is 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydroquinoline. Quinoline tin HCl ஓட tetrahydroquinoline தரும். இதுவே நம்ம ஹைட்ரஜன் பெல்லாடியம் போட்டு ரிடக்ஷன் பண்ணும்போது டோட்டலாக எல்லாம் ஆல் மாலிகுல் தான் ரிடக்ஷன் ஆகிடும். நியூக்ளியோஃபிலிக் சப்ஸ்டியூஷன் pyridine readily occurs at the 2nd and 4th position. The tetrahydrofuran is obtained from furan by reduction using hydrogen nickel. The reaction of 1,4 diketones with ammonia to give the substituted ferrol derivative is known as Fallner synthesis. The stain is the common name of 2,3 dihydroindole. Ferrol is not basic in aqueous solution because the elements of nitrogen are part of the aromatic sextet. Quinoline react with the nitrating mixture to give the electrolytic substitution 5 and 8th position. Therefore 5 and 8 nitroquinolines is formed. When indole is treated with the chloroform and potassium hydroxide, the major product formed with the formaldehyde product is formation 1, 2, 3. 3rd position நமக்கு aldehyde group form ஆகும். Therefore B is the right answer. 19. The product form the reactions. So imidazole concentrates sulfuric acid, nitrating reaction. Nitrating reaction sulfuric 4 nitroimidazole வரும். அதுவே நம்ம அசிட்டல் ஆக்சைடு போடும்போது நமக்கு 2 nitroimidazole வரும். In the following compounds, the correct order of basic strength in already நம்ம சொன்ன மாதிரியே first one is high, thiophene is a, ferrol is a low. Therefore 1, 3, 2, 4 is right answer. Ferrol react with the iodine in aqueous potassium iodide solution to give mostly 2,3,4,5 tetraiodopherol. The orthoaminobenzaldehyde condensed with acetaldehyde in the presence of alkali to give quinoline. This reaction example of the friend layer synthesis. Pyridine on treating with the sodamine in liquid ammonia at 373 Kelvin to form 2-aminopyridine. Repeated question, Chichibin reaction. The heterocyclic compound that undergoes Raymer-Tiemann reactions. Ferrol only the Raymer-Tiemann reaction because its aromatic nature. Ferrol is less basic than pyridine because ferrol has a ferroelectron part of the aromatic sextet in a nitrogen atom. The structure of quinoline is regarded as a fusion of pyridine, alpha pyridine with the benzene with the beta position at its alpha and beta position. Amination of the quinoline gives a nucleophilic reaction. 2 or 4-aminoquinoline is formed. Chichibin reaction. 28. The product of the following reaction is furan. Therefore, acylation reaction generally. Therefore, 2 position is the acylation occurs. 29. Bromination of indole gives 3-bromoindole. In the following, which is the correct order of reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reaction? Pyridine, then benzene, then thiophene. Dash is synthesized by scarp synthesis. Quinoline scarp synthesis மூலம் தயாரிக்கப்படும். Ferrol undergoes selectively substitution at position number 2. When furfural is treated with the concentration aqueous potassium hydroxide to yield at the alcohol formation, second position. B is right. When dichlorocarbene react with the ferrol to yield via Raymer-Tiemann reaction, ferrol to carbaldehyde. Repeated question. The synthesis involved in the preparation of ferrol from 1,4 diketone with the ammonia or primary amine is otherwise called Fallner synthesis. Furan in the presence of ron and nickel hydrogen is reduced to yield of the 1,2,4 tetrahydrofuran. Generally is known as THF. The catalyst used in the preparation of sulfone from thiophene is a palladium. அங்கே ஒரு கரெக்ஷன் இருக்குது. thiophene sulfone is oxidation. Therefore ஆக்சிடேஷன் ரியாக்ஷன் நமக்கு நடக்கும். இந்த இடத்துல கொஷின் இஸ் a confusion. Check again. The scarp synthesis is a commercial method of the preparation of the quinoline. Scarp quinoline. The structure of indole is C is the right answer. When furan is treated with ammonia and steam over heated aluminum catalysis, the yield is ferrol. The structure of thiosyl is D is a thiosyl, A is a pyrrosol, B is a imidazole, C is a pyrimidine. When ammonium mockate in glycerol at 200 degrees Celsius is heated to yield of the ferrol. Ferrol can react with Grignard reagents since it behaves as a acidic nature. When furan is subject to 125 degrees Celsius at 100 atmosphere pressure in the presence of ron, nickel and nitrogen, the product is THF. 45. The reaction is generally scarp synthesis, quinoline synthesis. Which one of the following is thiophene? A is right answer. The name of quinoline. Fischer-Indole synthesis involves the reaction between phenyl hydrazine and the pyruvic acids to form indole. The nitration products of quinolines is, the nitration is a 5 and 8, therefore 8 nitroquinoline and 5 nitroquinoline is formed. Find out the product. There is a coumarin derivative, therefore A is the right answer. 51. Identify the product of following reaction. It's a general 2-methyl indole product is formed. The major product of the following reaction. Simple, A is the right answer. The identity the most probable product the given reaction. பிரிடின்னு நம்ம ஃபெர் ஆசிட் பண்ணி ஆக்சிடேஷன் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு பிரிடின் என் ஆக்சைடு வரும். இந்த பிரிடின் என் ஆக்சைடு கிரிக்னாட் ரியேஜன் தென் ஆசிட் வழியாக ஃபார்ம் போது நமக்கு 2 phenyl pyridine derivative கிடைக்கும். Therefore B is the right answer. Which one of the following do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction? pyridine Friedel-Crafts இன்வால்வ் ஆகாது. மற்றும் ஃபியூரான் ஃபெர்ரோல் தயோஃபின் மூணுமே இன்வால்வ் ஆகும். 55. The isoquinoline to react with NH2 and water to form of the A is the right answer. This is called 1-hydroxy isoquinoline. 56. Quinoline the oxidation reaction ஜென்ரலாக நமக்கு 2,3ல் கார்பாக்சிலிக் ஆசிட் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஃபர்தராக இதை நம்ம ஹீட் பண்ணும்போது கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு வெளியே போயிட்டு 3 கார்பாக்சி பிரிடின் கிடைக்குது. 56 A is right. 57. The product formation in the reaction. This is called generally carb synthesis. C is the right answer. 58. The isoquinoline formation. 59. So B is the right answer. COCH3 நமக்கு alkene வருது. This is generally Wolff-Kirschner reduction. 60. Say thiophene. 61. Very easy. Carboxylic acid formation. 62. Fischer-Indole synthesis. Therefore நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது? இண்டோல் phenyl hydrazine நமக்கு எத்தில் மெத்தில் கீட்டோனுடைய ஆசிட் முன்னணியில் இண்டோல் டெரிவேட்டிவ் கிடைக்கும். 63. Arrange the following nucleophiles in order of decreasing nucleophilicity towards SN2 type. C is the right answer. Pyridine is the second, 1, 3, 4th. நமக்கு சப்ஸ்டியூட் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆக அதனுடைய நியூக்ளியோஃபிலிட்டி லோ ஆகுது. The product obtained with furan react with the N-butyllithium 2 with your furan is formed. 65. The product formation reaction. The pyridine in the presence of chloroform to react with the CCCl2, generally known as D is the right answer. 3 chloropyridine. இந்த கொஷின் 65, 63 ரெண்டுமே சேம் கொஷின் தான். Chemical tensted reaction type of the reaction. 67. The correct reactivity towards electrophilic aromatic substitution furan, thiophene and benzene. 68. The correct decrease in resonance energy benzene, thiophene, ferrol, furan. 69. The sulfonation of ferrol and indole in the following reagent is used. Sulfur trioxide dissolved in pyridine at 120 degrees Celsius. The basic unit of the porphyrin system which occurs in chlorophyll and hemoglobin, ferrol, 4 ferrol unit. The succinic acid on heating with phosphorus pentoxide gives a compound A. This is succinic anhydride and treated with ammonia followed by reduction with zinc and carboxylic acid or hydrochloric acid to form of the ferrol. 72. What will the product of the? This is a mixture of 5 and 7 substituted alkyl quinoline is formation. 73. The isoquinoline synthesis reaction. 74. Thiophene react with the NBS process of CCl4. Therefore 2-bromo thiophene formation. Further with the magnesium and ether to Grignard reagent formation. Then react with the carbon dioxide via hydrolysis to formation of the carboxylic acid. Therefore, C is the right answer. 75. Which one of the following sets of reagent can use on step 1 and step 2? The D is the right answer. Step 1 bromination and step 2 heating with quinoline in the presence of copper powder to form of the 4-bromofuran. 76. Furan 2-carbaldehyde undergoes Cannizzaro reaction, whereas ferrol 2-carbaldehyde does not, because ferrol 2-carbaldehyde to form of the conjugated base. Reason: the high electronegativity oxygen atom does not contribute is unshared pair of electrons of the resonance. Therefore, A is the right answer. 77. Match the following. Tetrahydrofuranode 1.73 dBi, furan 1.70 dBi, ferrol 1.81 dBi, thiophene 0.51 dBi. Resonance energy and dipole moment. Higher Earnshaw selectivity in the reduction of furan could be achieved by using lithium together with the solvent weaker proton sources. 79. What will the product when heating 2'-diamino biphenyl with the consonant phosphoric acids to form carbazole? 80. The product thiophene to react with the thionyl chlorine to form 2-chlorothiophene 1 mole. 2 mole 3 mole increase ஆக chlorine substitution increase ஆகும். Pick out the product following the reaction. Diels order reaction, generally known as 4,2 cycloaddition reaction. Furan react with malic acid to form of the exo product. The product effect name is 1R, 2S, 3R, 4S, 7 oxobicyclo 2,2,1 Eft 5 in 2,3 dicarboxylic acids. 82. The THF to react with the product is a McNaldehyde. 83. The name of the ferrol derivative is A is absoferrol 4-methyl 3-ethyl thiophene. Improfil 4 ferrol derivative இருக்குன்னு நமக்கு தெரியும். Pillol profil is a 2,4,5 trimethyl 3-ethyl ferrol. D is a cryptoferrol 2,4 dimethyl 3-ethyl ferrol. Therefore, D is the right answer. 84. The reduction of indole, the zinc and hydrochloric acid to form of the indolene. In isoquinoline, the electrophilic attack occurs C5 and C8 position. The ferrol and chlorination of the thionyl chlorine 4 molecule in the presence of ether in 0 degree Kelvin 2,3,4,5 tetrachloroferrol. 87 is a Manish base Manish reaction. Indole to react with the formaldehyde in diethylamine to form of the Manish base product. 88. Pyridine behaves a highly deactivated aromatic nucleus towards electrophilic substitution reaction because greater electronegativity of nitrogen decreases the electron density of the ring. 89. Which one of the following and reduction with the nickel hydrogen undergo destruction of the ring? Thiophene. Direct use of acrylate is not suitable for synthesis of quinoline under Scarp synthesis because it's a polymerization product is formed. 91. Furan is reduced to tetrahydrofuran TH in the presence of palladium and palladium oxide. Therefore, இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம இதுவரை டிஆர்பியில் ஹெட்ரோசிலிக் காம்பவுண்டில் கேட்ட கொஷின்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கோம். இந்த ஒரு மாடலாக வச்சுக்கிட்டு நம்ம ஐஎல்ஃபீனார் அண்டு கிளைடன் இந்த புத்தகத்தில் ஒரு முறை நம்ம ரிவ்யூ பண்ணிட்டா நமக்கு எக்ஸாமுக்கு ரொம்ப பயனுள்ளதாக இருக்கும்னு நம்புகிறோம். நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஷேர் செய்யவும். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.